Morning students. So today we will start our science second lesson, food and digestion. So first topic, as the name of that lesson suggests, is given, food. So that whole lesson is based on food we eat. So food contains the nutrients needed by our body to grow, remain healthy and also fight diseases. So why we need food? To grow, to remain healthy, to stay always healthy and to fight diseases. Food eaten by us is used by our body for the following purposes. So what is the use of food that we eat? So how our body use that food we have eat is given here. First one, to give us energy to do work. So whenever we need to do some work, we need energy, and from where we get that energy? From food. To protect us from diseases, again to fight with diseases, we need good healthy body. And how we will get healthy body? How we will get able to fight diseases? By eating healthy food. To build and repair the parts of our body that have been damaged. Again, whenever our body parts get damaged, we need to eat healthy food. Why it is? Because that food will repair our body. Again, to grow, for growth of our body, we need food, like for increasing for our height, for our good weight, that for that all thing we need food. So next topic is nutrients in food. So what are nutrients? So nutrients are the different kind of things that we get from food, like vitamin, carbohydrate, protein, minerals, fats, etc. In order to meet demands of the body, we need to eat food items that contain different nutrients. So what we have to eat? We have to eat that type of food which will give different kinds of nutrients to our body. So there are some different kind of nutrients given here. First one is carbohydrate. So what is carbohydrate? The group of food that helps to get energy, helps us to get energy to work, play and think. So the group of food which food that help us to get energy. So जो भी food हमें energy देता है वो काम करने के लिए, खेलने के लिए, सोचने के लिए, that energy comes from that carbohydrate content food. Like sugar and starch are carbohydrates. For example, so from wheat, rice, sweets we will get carbohydrate. They are needed in large quantities, and carbohydrate we need it in a large quantity. Second one is protein. So the group of food that helps to repair and build different parts of our body. So why we need protein? It helps to repair and build different parts of our body. Like if we made any accident, so to repair our that injuries, to overcome from that injuries, what we need? Proteins. We need proteins in the large quantity. So from where proteins? We will get proteins from pulses, meat and eggs. So pulses and eggs are the best source of protein. They are needed in lesser quantities than carbohydrates. And how much quantity we need protein? In a lesser quantity as compared to carbohydrate. Next is vitamin. Vitamins is the group of food which needed to protect the body from diseases. So to fight with diseases, to protect our body from different kind of diseases, we need vitamins. This helps to keep us healthy and free from any illness, and vitamins helps us to keep healthy and to fight any type of diseases, and again to make us free from any illness. For example, some fruits and vegetables contains vitamins. They are needed in very small quantities, and vitamins are needed in very small quantities. Now next is minerals. This helps to make our teeth and bones stronger and help to improve quality of blood in our body. So why we need minerals? To make our teeth, bones healthy and to help to improve our quality of blood, and it also improves the quality of our blood. For example, calcium and iron are minerals which are present in milk and green vegetables. So here is given that which mineral, calcium and iron, that both minerals are mostly present in milk and green vegetables. So spinach is a good source of iron. Milk is also good source of calcium. So always you have to eat that leafy vegetables, you have to drink milk also and eat fruits also. Next is fats, the group of food that keeps our body warm and stores energy. So to keep our body warm we need fats. Again, to store energy in our body we need fats. And from where we get fat? From butter, oil and ghee. From that thing we get fat. These are needed in very small quantities and these are needed to our body but in very small quantity. The meal or diet that contains all the nutrients so in the right proportion to keep our body healthy and fit is called a balanced diet. So when we eat a food containing carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, mineral and fat, that means all that nutrients in a proper particular quantity, then that diet is known as a balanced diet. So अगर आप बैलेंस डाइट ले रहे हो उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट बहुत ज़्यादा है, प्रोटीन कम है, विटामिन कम है, फैट्स कम है या फिर मिनरल्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, दैट इज नॉट अ balanced diet. Balanced diet means you are consuming all that nutrients in a particular and proper way. So Tom is John's classmate and likes to have French fries and aerated drinks with all his meals. So Tom is a person who is John's classmate and he likes to have French fries. French fries are oily. Again, aerated drinks, that means like Coca-Cola, that soft drinks. His mother tells him that he is soon going to be sick and weak because French fries and cold drinks. So his mother tell him that he will get weak and sick. So why he will get sick? Because of that French fries and cold drinks contains something that is contains only carbohydrate. That drinks only contains carbohydrate, have no more nutrients in them. So only that drinks contain only that carbohydrate. So it is obvious that it will harm his body.